play beautifully.
I do apologize, Miss Everglot. How rude of me to... Well, excuse me.
Mother won't let me near the piano. Music is improper for a young lady. Too passionate, she says.
If I may ask, Miss Everglot, where is your chaperone?
Perhaps, in view of the circumstances, you could call me Victoria.
Yes, of course. Well, Victoria.
Yes, Victor.
Tomorrow we are to be...
Married.
Yes. Married.
Since I was a child, I've dreamt of my wedding day. I always hoped to find someone I was deeply in love with. Someone to spend the rest of my life with. Silly, isn't it?
Yes, silly. No, not at all. No. Oh dear. I'm sorry.